Let me show you how to record and clone yourself in a video like this so that you can appear in 2 or 3 different forms in a video like this one you're seeing here. Kindly follow me to the screen and do well to share, like and comment on this video so that others will see and benefit from it. Let's go. Alright, in the first clip, stand at the edge of the video acting as if you are talking to somebody. Then in the second clip, stand at the opposite of the edge of the video acting as if you are responding to the statement of the first person. Then in the last one, stand or sit at the middle of the video. Then after that, head over to Capcut. So on getting to Capcut here, this is the 3 clips that we've recorded here, okay? So the purpose of this video is to show you how to make one person appear at a particular time on his screen, okay? So in my next video, I will still show you how I recorded this video. If you had watched my previous video on this, you will understand what I'm talking, okay? I'm just using this one to show you basically how to make yourself appear once on the screen at a particular time, okay? So this is the first clip where I was acting as though I was talking to somebody, okay? So and this is the second clip where I was responding to the statement of this very person standing here. So what you really need to do is to highlight the second clip, okay? Once you have it highlighted like this, swipe this side, you can see that white dot, okay, until you get to this very overlay here, okay? If you did not understand my explanation, ask your question, click on that very overlay and drag it to the beginning of the video. Remember, we are not working on this very one where I sit here, okay? So we have to delete it, okay? We are not working on it now. So coming back to this very overlay, this is what you will do. Having it highlighted like this, you can see that white line on it. Then you swipe to this end until you get to mask, okay, which is this. You can see it here. Click on that very mask, then choose horizontal. You can see it, the first one, the second one, horizontal. Once you have it clicked, then a line will appear like this. You will see 2 dots there, okay? 2 dots, okay? I'm using 2 of my thumbs to rotate the line into 360 degree, okay? So this is the first thing which you need to do. So at this very point, you head over to this very horizontal again, click on that very adjust, then come over to fader, okay? We want to blend that very line so that it will not be noticed. From the end here, increase the number to 2 or 3, okay? It is okay like this. Then once you are done with it, then you click on this very little point down arrow, then and head over to this very check mark to activate your action. Then what you need to do now is to head over to this export and export it first so that you will walk the third person into the video. Click on it and have your video exported. Still come over to new project here, click on that very new project, bring in the video that you've exported, yes, click on this very add button, then to have it brought to the editing interface proper, okay? Now we are going to look for the third person to bring it into the video. Click on this very plus sign, okay, to take you back to your gallery rather. Then this is the third person here. Then click on add to bring it up, highlight it like this and come over to overlay. Just repeat the action we took before, then click and hold and drag it to the beginning of the video like this. At this point, still highlight the overlay, then swipe to this end. At this time, you are not going to mask. As you can see here, what we are looking for is a remove BG, that is remove background. Then click on it and click on auto removal, allow it to be removed. Then click on this very check mark button, okay, while still waiting for it to finish loading here. Then do the necessary adjustment. So it is not hard, you can see it there, 3 persons in one. So once you are done with that, you just need to do some adjustment, cut, trim, and then remove the excess part of the stuff. This is the video, okay? Once you are done with that, head over to export, but before then, head over to this very point, do the necessary adjustment, increase this one to 2K, increase this one to 50K, then click on that very optical flow and adjust this code rate to high, then click on export and have your video exported to your gallery. So this is the end of the video. Do well to share to others so that they will benefit from this very tutorial.